Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be doing a bunch of Roblox Bedwars dares. So, I'm supposed to do some pretty epic stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. Also, you can verify your account right now, and you can get a free title. I'm actually pretty, interested in what they're gonna do next with stuff like this, because I'm also pretty happy because they're finally making, titles that's not for, the Battle Pass. If you win a game, it'd be cool if you get, I finally won title, or, if you lose a game, it'd be, the trash title. I don't know, you can make, titles for, a lot of other things. So, yeah, basically, you just have to do a few simple things, and then you can get, a 20%, Battle Pass XP thingy. Also, I just made, the biggest clutch earlier today on Bedwars, so I had Emerald Armor, and you know how Elder Tree is free this week? Yeah, I was fighting an Elder Tree. It took 35 minutes. I finally got Emerald Armor, and then I got too scared. I bought him off 17 times, but all those times he had balloons. And yeah, I'd honestly rather them make this kit free than this kit. I'd rather be turret spammed than that. But yeah, now we're going to be using Roblox, or no wait, not using. Sorry, I have to say this the correct way. Roblox Bedwars Dare 1. Use Elder Tree. Well, it is what it is, I guess. Also, for some reason, Bedwars made it so you can't unequip the kit skin for Elder Tree. I think they just want to show that Elder Tree is free. This would be such an April Fool's thing, but they had to make sword hat already, dude. What's your problem? Ah, I see an orb over there. Now I can't be a giant flamingo, are you kidding me? Sus. Yeah, I see. And it's a bacon hair. In fact, yummy bacon. Okay, I know I'm thinking about eating with that kit, but I think that I'm going a little bit too far. So I have to wait for people to bridge over to me because, this is the ultimate strategy. You get a sword even though I suck at PvP on computer. See, that's the strategy. Wait for someone to get blocks, you get a better sword than them. They come on over to. Oh, how does he have that sword? It's are you kidding me? Why? This sucks. Oh my gosh. I lost. Epic. So yeah, I'm glad we don't have to use Elder Tree anymore. And I'm gonna go on ahead and go back to life. There's so many orbs right there. Oh my gosh. Alright. Next dare. You cannot use iron. Well, this should be interesting. Oh wait, I'm still Elder Tree. Wait a minute. Wasn't the dare that I can't use iron? Well, we don't like iron here. Oh my gosh, he's using Elder Tree as well. It sucks. I was just trying to throw my iron off the map. Get over here. I don't even want to use Elder Tree any longer. Oh, he's probably gonna knock me off, honestly. It's a sucking computer. Dude, if he kills me somehow, how did he kill me? I did damage to him. Then we go back to his base and he kills me. He's either hacking or I just suck at the game. I think I know which one is the answer. Alright guys, so for the next one, or I mean, not the next dare, we're still in the middle of this dare because this one, would have went by very quickly. And yeah, I'm going to be Reaper for this. Yeah guys, I know it's not the best kit, but it's really the only one that doesn't require iron. Or, besides Elder Tree. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I don't have to use that anymore. But, also, oh, wait a minute. What's this? What's this white thing in my hand? Iron? Never heard of it. Dude, I'm supposed to throw it off my bit. Honestly, I don't care if I jump off. That's honestly what I'm going to do right now. There's nothing better to do. But, wait, hold on a minute. There actually is something better to do. In the group, as you can see, there's a sale on some of your favorite Killer Shark merch. Huge sale, only for 3 Robux. This is a 7 Robux discount for the Angry Shark shirt. This one gets sales a lot. I might even do a sale on one of these. Oh yeah, and after this video, I'm gonna do a sale on this one and make it 2 Robux. It is the official shirt, but let me make sure I'm not dying. Oh. Well, hey, at least my merch got out. Next dare. Use one of the free kits. That should be easy enough. So for this round, we're actually going to try using Melody because it's free this week, and I've actually never used this kit before. I wonder what it's like. Apparently it has like a guitar and like you can heal your teammates, and that actually sounds pretty freaking OP, so let's try. Oh right, I forgot, I don't have any teammates. I'm in solos. But I don't care, I'm gonna win anyways. Stop bullying! Buy Killer Shark merch. Oh. Is that guy's head on fire? I don't know, how much is this here guitar? 20 iron. Okay, we're 1 iron away. We're doing it. Okay, what we gotta do? Bam! Master guitar player. How does this thing work? Yo, these are some sick jams. Wait, who am I healing here? Wait, can I heal myself? I think I can. I'm just like not damaged at all. So let me just go damage myself. I was kidding. I can't really dude, my guy's a baguette. I have a guitar. Like this totally beats it. I want to whack you with this guitar. No, I'm gonna give you a heart attack with this scary music. Okay, no. Hey, I'm gonna go back to my base. Come on, bro. Yeah, this kit kind of sucks, but like, hey, I'm gonna roll with it. Okay, let's grab an axe. We can even afford some blocks. It's pretty epic. Now, he's probably gonna destroy our bed soon. And then might need some healing, so, dramatic music, please. I'm like, dude, bridge up. Fine, I'll bridge over. I'll scare him with my blocks. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, speed bridge! Until you run out of blocks. What? Kinda sus, but I just saw my guy roll up with some armor, so I'm gonna copy him. I'm gonna grab some armor myself. Bam, you're not cool. I am. And you know what? I'm taking off the chest plate because you need to buy Killer Shark merch. Just kidding, that's so dangerous. Like, that's like against the Bedwars law, honestly. Also, when is this guy gonna bridge over? Like, is he just like abandoning me? I should have been like Jade or something. Wait, what? Bill. Is this guy dumb? Yeah, I think he's dumb, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and, like, destroy that bed. Destroy that bed! Welcome back to the game show. Destroy that bed! What you have to do is you have to destroy that bed. Nice baguette there, buddy. Nice baguette. I'll kill you with the power of music. Ready to get dead on? Oh, yeah, like your baguette's gonna do anything to me. Well, let's just pretend that never happened. Kid, you're so bad. I can still make that jump. If I build more. Yeah. Everyone's probably like raging in the comments of how bad I am at this game. I swear, if you just broke my bed. Wait. Yes. Oh, buddy, I got a surprise for you. Oh, nice iron armor there. Hey. What's up? Do you like my, bow? You're gonna get bowed off. You're gonna get bowed off. I'm gonna bow him off, like, right there. Here's what I'm gonna do. He's gonna come on the bridge. Whoa! Yeah, he's gonna get bowed off. That's the plan. No, I can't aim with this thing. How does this thing work on a computer? How is Tinker so good at this? I don't know. Yeah! No! I swear I hit him there. This guy's so using hacks. Let me grab my guitar. Music! I need to go ahead and destroy this guy's bed, so I need to go ahead and grab TNT. We're gonna hit him up with the old trick that no one uses anymore. This is gonna be kind of risky, but like, dude, I'm gonna, yeah! No one uses that trick anymore. That's why I used it. Now you're so dead. Get you pathetic. I honestly don't even care. This guy's so annoying. All the beds are just getting broken right now. I think a few keys I think are broken. Hold on, let me fix those quickly. All white baguette man, you're about to get baguette done. Yes, I got it. Let's go. Chunky Monkey destroyed your bed. Yeah, I destroyed it with a wooden pickaxe when I had an axe in my hand. That's how bad you are. Die, please! I should have bought a baguette. Oh, well, that's kind of sad. Anyways, we need to get to more dares. Oh, wait, what is that face he has? Hold on a minute. I actually need to look at that face. Wait, what is that? Wait, fish. What face is that? I want this face. If it costs Robux, I'm knit shark attack. I have to look at that. What's this? Wait, check out. Oh, it's toy. The soup is dry. Well, wait, can I buy this? Can I buy this item? Oh, it's off sale. I hate when people have items that's off sale because sometimes they look pretty cool and I want to buy them and I have boba. So bye. Yeah, I guess we should do the next dare. Next dare, I can't use swords. Huh, interesting. So yeah, I quickly tried to switch my kit and I'm still Melody. I was like 3 inches away from the thing. I can't use swords, and on top of that, I get paired up with no one. Oh my gosh. I have no friends. So I guess we have to save up for a bow. Oh wait, I should have used jade. So yeah, I can use jade hammer still. Man, Melody sucks. Especially when you don't have a teammate. It's also pretty, it's pretty useless. Only the fact that, because, if you don't have any friends, or, I feel bad for you if you bought that kit. Because you're buying it to, so the only reason you would buy Melody is to help your friend. What the heck did I just do? I just closed out of... Okay, so funny story. Roblox was just being funny. No, not Roblox, my computer. Well, both of them, because Roblox is technically on my computer. Well, either way, you get what I mean. If you don't, I don't know anymore. But, yeah, something happened, and yeah, we have time for one more dare. Alright. Next dare. This one's pretty interesting. Go into a 30v30 match and break whatever bed defense is there. Okay, I guess I could do that. Wait a minute. Someone just showed me another dare. And this one actually seems even funnier. I might have to do a part 2 to this because there's so many dares here, but, join a Bedwars match and fortify every single block you step on. This one's pretty funny. I'm actually going to do this one instead. Oh my gosh. Look at all the elder trees. Oh my gosh. This is so dumb. But I thought I'd do a little both with both of the dares. So I could do I'm in 30v30, but I have to fortify every block I see. So I'm gonna get the builder's hammer so I can fortify the blocks. Thankfully builder's free this week. So I can make this dare possible. Alright, and I'm pretty sure I have enough for it. Wait, the generator is going so fast. Elder gang. Nope, I'm out. Let's grab the builder's hammer. And we need more iron than 20. We need 100 iron, honestly. Oh, you guys think your sprays are cool? Well, wait until you see, Banana Barbarian is my favorite spray. I think that's good. I think that's good. Now I have to hold our hammer out. Any block we step on, you say. How? You can fortify them. Oh, it's been fortifying all the blocks. It's been wasting iron here. Nice job. Fortify all of those blocks. Okay, guys, I just noticed the video recording is almost over, so let me get a randomizer quick. Alright, 4 likes. Don't let me down.